so I got this for Christmas. My brother's sewing machine, which is awesome. I like to sew. I like to make all kinds of things. Let's take it out here. And I just don't open it. This is pretty awesome. Yeah. Oh. That one's. Here, Peanut, pull that bottom off. Grab the bottom, pull it off. Let me see, I'll do it. Okay, it's okay. 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 So, I normally sew all the time, but I haven't since the holidays. I was super busy with other things, so I'm gonna get back at it. And my first project, and the one that made me open my gift, was I got to sew Peanut's dress. Okay, go get your dress so I can or go change so I can sew that.
I'll go get your towel to wrap up with
the back got ripped, so I'm gonna fix that today. And then, she could play with it again. So let's see here. Okay, we're gonna do this. With this blue tape. Not a towel. Get her something to put on. Get her something to put on. Alright, cool. Oh, this is awesome. I just love sewing. I can sew for days and hours, and I just absolutely love it. I make power outfits for my kids. I make just like clothes. I can make blankets. I can make curtains. I can make all kinds of things. Okay, looks like it's about ready to go. I just gotta put all the packaging away. Okay, let's put these all back in here. Oh, I know how to thread it and fix the bobbins, so I don't need these. Okay. Hey, Brian, go out there. I'm busy. You're supposed to be in your room. Go in your room. Okay. Let's put these back in here. And I hear Chester crying, so I have to get in there. There's the foot pedal. And plug in the power cord. Okay. And these are extra. Well, here's the book. I will save. And these are extra little pieces. I will save as well. And then, of course, I could put this back. Hold on. Go change in your room. Change in the room. Go change in the bathroom. Okay. Shh, wait, I'm busy. Go. You're supposed to be in your room. Go. So I'm going to put this box away and save it. And where this goes is in my closet. My hall closet is where I keep all of my sewing things. Okay, I have like sewing stuff. There's my sewing box with threads, which I should grab right now. Whoops, excuse me, dinner. Okay, let me see. Move, dinner. Back up. Back up.